You and your organization have decided to make the jump and start using the new Picturepark. Congratulations! I'm Martin for Picturepark, and in this video I'll summarize what that change implies and look at some of the input we will need from you to make this migration project a real success. Let's get started.
In the video, I'm taking the perspective of you as a system administrator or product owner, where you are responsible for keeping Picturepark running in your organization. From that perspective, what will change? One of the first things you'll notice is that the look and feel is now matching modern standards, with the big search directly at the top starting when you type, additional filters and bigger preview of the digital content. You get a cleaner and easier to navigate software with the main menu displaying directly on the left of the screen and toolbars available on the top. Every new software needs a bit of time to get used to, but you'll see that you'll find it easier to make the changes you want to make. Another thing that is really important for us is that Picturepark saves you time. How? I'll give an example. If we select berries, small fruit in the brick filter, which is a standardized term for product segmentations, which classifies the type of fruit in our example, you see that options available under the filter products are narrowed down to only those types of fruits. If we open, for instance, this image of strawberries and look at the products field, you can see that only one tag, strawberries, is assigned. Additional information like product codes, brick class, price, supplier and more are linked to this product tag. This is relevant for searching, but also you get very powerful functionality to edit metadata in a very efficient way, because adding only one tag doesn't take a lot of time. We call this contextual information. In essence, by adding one tag, you get a lot more contextual metadata that is linked to the one tag. Try to think of it like your CV. With your name travels all your work experience, education, and a whole lot of other contextual information. Next to saving you time, will it also massively improve the user search experience with richer metadata and more possibilities to filter. The new Picturepark also opens up possibilities for automations. Among others, file names can be parsed for metadata when you work with a file naming convention. So Picturepark can extract business units, language or products from the file name and tag the content item accordingly. Using Picturepark Clarify connector, artificial intelligence can be enabled to scan your images and videos and suggest tags, which you can approve or have automatically approved. Artificial intelligence is improving rapidly and becoming better and better in image recognition and automatic tagging. We will look at what is possible and make sense for you during this migration progress. The keyword search functionality has been massively improved. If, for instance, you search on strawberry, you get search suggestions indicating where this metadata is available. But you can also fine-tune your search with the or, and advanced search option. Especially the advanced search is powerful because it allows you to make very specific searches. We will cover this in a separate lesson. A last point is that the new Picturepark was designed API first. This RESTful API makes it easier to connect Picturepark to other systems like your website, your PIM or your CRM system, for instance. Such integrations are typically not part of the migration, but we will explore options here during this migration process. Now, to get access to all these goodies, we need to migrate all your content with its metadata to the new Picturepark. We will do the majority of the work, and it's crucial that you are involved in every stage of this migration to ensure that the new Picturepark will be configured to the best of its capabilities and fully matches your organizational content and needs. The first thing we would like you to have a look at is the Picturepark 8 metadata and how you would like to see such a classification implemented in the new Picturepark, making use of the new functionality. How you do that is explained in the following videos.
Nice! I hope you are now eager to go explore the new Picturepark and find out for yourself how the look and feel will make it nicer to work with. That by structuring and linking your metadata, you will save time managing the content and also improve the search experience for yourself and your users. Picturepark's new technology allows you to automate certain tasks and even get help from artificial intelligence, while also making it easier to connect your Picturepark to other systems in use in your company ecosystem. To make this a reality for you, we need your help. Initially, with looking at your Picturepark 8 metadata and how you would like to see this implemented in the new Picturepark. How you do that is explained in the following videos. Take care.